Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set custom music as a ringtone in Galaxy A06 device. So guys, if you want to set any ringtone as a custom music, all you guys have to do just go to settings and here scroll so that we have an option of sounds and vibration. Just tap here guys and then click to ringtone. These are all the default ringtone by the way. And if you want to add any other ringtone like a custom music, so just click to plus sign and allow. After that guys, just go to your album or anywhere else your music will be saved. Right now I don't have any music, but all you guys have to do just come to anywhere so where your music saved. Just tap on the music here and then click done. So as you see over the horizon, music will be now my ringtone of the Galaxy A06 device. You can also set any music, any other thing on your ringtone by this method. Just go to plus sign and then select the music here from the album, artist and folder. So that's how guys we can set it. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.